another storm. It's Toronto, guys. Look, so clean. It's all white, so clean. Oh my God, this is so deep. Look at the kids there. Ah, oh my. I'm gonna use this side. Oh Lord, so deep, guys. Going in to your boots, even though you have your high boots, still it's going inside the snow. So deep. Ay, my God, at least this one is kind of thick. The snow is kind of thick. We can walk through this. Yeah, I see you, Nanak. Hi. So like yesterday, I was at work. I left 5 o'clock. I reached home 9:30, guys. The road wasn't safe. No service. Nothing. It was extremely dangerous on the road yesterday. Now I take the kids out. Today is family day actually, guys, in Canada. And it's Monday, no school. Last Thursday, no school because of the snowstorm. So it was yesterday again, second time the storm hits us. It started last Saturday until yesterday morning, today also, but not as worst as yesterday. Look it there. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh my Lord, look, see, it's windy. So beautiful. It's all white. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Come on. Come on. This is it, guys.
It was so much fun. Here, Claire.
Okay.
Hold.
Hold.
To go in my lap? But you go along.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It's Claire's
Is that
turn.
good?
Hi. Everyone's having fun, guys. Okay. Upsie. We've been here for over an hour, guys. Look. It's a bit quiet now. Look. So pretty. So pretty.
So I can do the same thing I did. Mommy, hold it.
So beautiful.
Mommy, hold it.
Yeah, of course. I will.
Hold it.
Alright. You want to lie down?
Yeah.
Alright. Hold on tight no matter what, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, legs straight.
I have to. Mama, can you put on my hoodie? Mama, can you put on my hoodie?
Alright. Look at this, guys. Oh. Come on. Yeah? Oh, okay. It's Claire's
Is that
turn.
good?
It's windy now, guys. Let's go now. Let's go. Come on.
We want to play.
It's getting darker na, guys. So look at what's bright. Yeah. Hi, Jack. Yes.
Look at me.
For Birdie.
Look at me.
Uh-oh.
Fly away. Mommy, you're not.
We're done for the day, guys. So we're on our way home. It's having fun. It's so windy. Feels like -20, guys. You can feel the breeze of the wind. Okay, let's go home. This we have so much fun. Look how deep it is, guys. See? So deep. There. Oh my god. So hard to walk in the deep snow. Look how beautiful. Ati! Where are you going? This way, oh? Yeah. Oh no! Look at that, guys. How deep the snow is. Oh my god. Feels like -20, guys. Hi, my lord. Now we found our way. Look. See how deep the snow is. Yes, guys. See. Freezing cold. Oh my god. Hi. So deep, guys. Okay, let's go na, anak. I can't handle anymore. It's extremely cold. Hi. Enjoy this video, guys. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you. Until next time, guys. This is Tess Hanong. Bye bye. See you next time. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.